So we are so excited to bring you another Deftarian Group exclusive listing. This one happens to be a trophy property located in the community of Bayshore. We're in the heart of Newport Beach. I'm staring at the bay, the sun's out, and it literally feels like you're on vacation at this property. The property has been taken down to the drywall and studs in many of the parts of the house and given a whole new design and a whole new look to give you a totally new transitional design that is perfect and on point with what people want today with a property that's located next to the ocean or the sea. It accentuates the floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 1 being on the main floor, a great primary suite upstairs that has a dream bath. You've got 4.5 bathrooms, a great office or den or gym space. You've got a great bar downstairs that really kind of highlights all the bifolding doors for the indoor and outdoor living. 3-car garage that's really set up to function like 2 oversized bays. And of course, the golf cart parking that you've got to have in this neighborhood, where we're going to invite you in for a tour so you can see all these beautiful finishes, the chef's kitchen, the open concept, the multiple media zones, and the upstairs loft. This house, the list goes on and on. It's not just a part-time beach house. It can be used for full-time residence or as a second or third home, but really it's all captivated by these beautiful front row views and the guard-gated community of Bayshore that we're going to get into why we love so much.
We are here on the 2nd level of this beautiful custom home. I love this house for many reasons. One of those being we're just steps away from one of 2 private Bayshore beaches, your own essentially private beach. There's another beach near the main entrance. We're a short walk away from the Balboa Bay Club. You're minutes away from the Lido Island Village, Balboa Island, Balboa Peninsula, and minutes out from world-class shopping and dining. We are so excited for you to take a look at this. Enjoy.